Hey, so update on the house. We got only, that's about 1,500 bricks left. That's 3 pallets. Sand, building sand, we are almost a load, 3/4 of a load. That's about what, 5 square meters. River sand, we still have a full load. We are good on this side. Yeah, not really good, but good. This side, as you can see, it's chowed. So we got the bachelor room done halfway. That's about 15 lines. The total lines will be 29. So what I mean by total lines, I mean counting from this, separate the foundation to the house. So counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, it must get to 29. So all the bricks are gone, as you can see. We got 2 holes for windows there. And this is the front. As you can see here, we have a space for the window. That's a staking window. It will go there. And then this is the first opening of the garage. And then this is the second opening of the garage. And then you can see how hollow it is, how open it is. This will be awesome. And then here we get the entrance, which will be the sliding door. So yeah, it looks good. And then in here, it's a big extra garage room, kind of. Then we have a door going at the back to service the jojos. Still have to put them nicely and do all the connection. At the corner there, we got a hole that will pass power and also some cables through. And then as you can see, the wall is looking lacquer and nice. So this is the garage. Then here we have a pillar. So this pillar will support a beam going directly that side to hold the weight. So this is the inside, as you can see. Now they are starting this side. So this side, they're just gonna put a line from there going that direction. Actually put the door first and then go that direction, put another door and then cut also going across there. So it's coming alive. So yeah, this is the space that they are working in. So yeah, today they will be done with this transaction, and then it's back to going up. So we have to make some scaffold. We got steel here. This steel here will help make some scaffolding. So we're gonna cut them up, make some scaffold, and then help the guys to work. This steel is 50 by 50 mil square tubings. And then we got about 228 by 38 beams here. And then we got a Y19 rebar. For this Y19 rebars will be for doing the top beam on the garage. So as you can see, I'm a little bit far at the back of the garage. So as you can see, this whole place is the garage. This is enough space for anything and everything. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So now they're just making measurements, putting the doors in position. Also that one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 doors only. And then 1 sliding and 1 stackable glass doors. So I am happy. So these are the steel that I was welding. So they are sort of a trestle. So you can see there's a lower level and then the upper level. So the guys are using it to, you know, build high. So they are steady, they are strong. Proud of myself. So these guys are strong. So the builders are also happy here that it is strong. So yeah, I asked them that they won't fall, they trust me. So yeah, the world is good, as you can see. It's holding. So yeah, I should have bought trestles. Trestles are $2,000 each. So I bought this steel around about 900. So I even used what? Two actually. Two, which each is 200. That means I actually used 500 to do this. It's actually what? 500. I should have spent it 2,000 for each, which means it's about 4,000 for two trestles, and I made this out of 500. So I still have more steel left. I got like 4-6 meters here left. So it was a bargain and a clever move. And this steel I still have to reuse it because I just cut the welds, and then I can do another project with it. That's the good part about it. So an update on the house. So far they started closing at the back. As you can see, there is the level that they're going for the zinc cover over here, and then that's the level for the roof for the garages. As you can see, it is looking good. We got 2 windows in there, very high up. So that's the back side is done. Also that side is done. We are mixing building sand here. So it's gonna be a war today. So here we got a middle pillar that will help hold the support from that pillar to this pillar to that pillar. So as you can see, this side also they are done. The house is higher. It's about 2.8, I think. 2.8 tall. So I just want to show you this side. So this is the room where the sheep will stay. It got some brick air vent there on top, and then one window, and then it's gonna have another air vent. So today they're gonna close up those 5 lines that are missing up there. Close up all this side until here somewhere. So that's the plan. And then when they get round about here, and then it will be time for the garage doors to do the pillars above the garage doors. But so far I think we are around about 70% done. So the only thing that is left is this side. It's long, as you can see. It's very long, this side, but we are getting there. And more bricks I needed. That 12 I bought last Monday, it's gone. And then I bought another 12. They brought only 5. Because when you buy and they bring with the 16-wheeler or the big truck, they take time because they come from the manufacturer. So in this fashion, this is delivery on the yard, which means they just put 5 pallets in a truck and then bring it, and then the guys just throw it down. So this is efficient because it can be one day. You can't wait for 3 or 4 days. It's just 1 day or 2 days, and then they bring them down. So yeah, I don't want the guys to wait again, because last week they were sitting idle waiting for the bricks because it was an 18-wheeler or whatever wheels that big truck have. So that's the plan. And then yeah, so far the trestles are holding leather. The guys are working perfectly with no fear of them falling. So yeah, I'm happy. So this room they're gonna blaster. It will be a big bedroom room. So what we have here is leftover sand that we are going to use to do the stoops. And then yeah, so far everything looks fine. The yard, it's starting to be green. The flowers are out. Everything is good. The river sand is almost done. That's the expensive one. So it's almost done. That sand also is almost done. That's the building sand, the pink one. So the building sand, they will deliver Monday one load. And then the river sand, I don't know if I have to buy yet, but we'll see with time. Yeah, these things is not a play. It chows money. Bricks chows money. Sand chow money. Cement chow money. So yeah, so far we are pushing today. Hi guys, so we decided to remove the door that gets inside the ship's room from the garage because of the smell. So we'll just use one exit, which will be that other side of the house, to enter the ship's house. So everything is still not changed except that door. So that door we decided, the smell will come in the garage, and the garage is a workshop, and also vehicles will be in there. So it may create a animal smell which we do not want, and maybe it will go both into the rooms. So this is the level of the pillars. They're going to make a pillar there, another one here, and the last one there. So now they're finishing there, and then after they finish here, and then they start prepping for the pillars. So far the house and the garages, it's 90% done. So this is gonna reach the level there, and this is the entire garage. This is access to the room, bachelor's room, and this is the ship's room. It's big. Yes. So this will be the bachelor with the staking doors here. So yeah, so far it's taking shape, and it looks proper, strong, and good. And here we're gonna make some stoops, get everything good. Just show you from a distance. So there will be a sliding door, and then garage, staking door. And then you got 2 windows there. Yeah, it's huge. An update on the house. So currently, the house is complete. The rooms are complete. The garages are complete. So in the front here, as you can see, it looks incomplete because they have to make the pillars. So they will have 1 pillar here, we'll have another pillar here, and lastly, 3rd pillar here before they start and build for the above over here, as you can see there. So yeah, the only bricks that is left is this and that. That's about 2.5 pallets there, and then those 2 pallets. So there will be enough to make the stoop and to fill in, maybe. I'm not sure. So yeah, we chowed a lot of bricks. So to make the pillar here, they're going to use this wood. This wood is 228 by 36, and it's about 6 meter long all the way that side. So what they are going to do is mount them, and then we're going to put supporting pillars below them. So as you can see, they're cleaning, getting this place ready. And then we are going to use these big rebars. So these rebars, they are called Y18. So they are thick, they are big, bigger than even my finger. They are not the same as the ones we use for foundation. Foundation, I think it was Y9 or 10, but these are Y16. So they are big. As you can see here, the guys are cutting the squares, getting them in order, marking them, cutting them, and shaping them in a square like this so that they can hold for reinforced steel. These are big, strong steel. And then we still have we have wire here. This is some wire they will use to hold. And then also some concrete nails. These concrete nails will beat them into the walls so that they can hold the weight. Because we have a couple of wood here. So this wood, the 228. So we have a lot of them here. I think that's about 2, 4, 6 here, and then 3 there. So in total we have 9 of them. So they are going to make a U shape, which 1 pillar will have 3. That's 3, 6, 9 pillars, and then they will hold until maybe 2 or 3 days, and then it will be dry. So we have these small windows in the garage here. Yes, and a bit high because of thieves. So if you are outside, you can't reach the window. You need something to climb on. So yeah, it's very high. If you are outside, because of the foundation, you won't reach. So in here, as you can see, done. We got a sliding door coming in there. So this is the extra garage I was talking about. In here, it will be all the lawn mowers and the tractors and quad bikes. So, and then in the garage, cars. So as you can see how high the window is. So the window will be that high. So it's very high up there, as you can see. So yeah, it's finished. This is the best house I ever built. So that one, I love it. But yeah, it has its own errors. The guys scammed me. But I made it perfect. I did some DIY, fixed it here and there. So yeah, and then here's the middle pillar. This one, they still have to raise it to reach that level. And then yeah, so far everything looks good. I am happy. So yeah, Now they are just bending the reinforce, and then we'll take a video of how they do those rebars, and also show you how they mount this guy on top of the wall. Update on the steel bar. So as you can see, they've squared these tubes here. These are the smallest. I think it's y something, y25 less or 6. No? I don't know. This one is small, and then it can bend nicely like that, square. So what they do, they tie it down here, as you can see. It's tied down, and then they're going to tie it on the above also like this, and then tie the last one there, and then it's a square. So that's the method they're using. As you can see, there are a couple of them to hold it in place. It must be strong. It must be strong. So as you can see, it's been tied down very nicely on this scaffold that I did build. They're still holding. None of them did bend, and the house is up. So I did weld them good. I'm getting better at welding. There's my poor beautiful welding here. But yeah, you learn, you improve with time. So yeah, so far everything looks good. They're going to put them up not long, and then they will be strong. Yeah, so can't wait for that process to start. So far they're just doing it there. It looks good. I am happy. So this one is good, it's ready. So it will start somewhere around there and then go all the way to that side. So as you can see, that's the second one. So it's strong and heavy. So it's gonna go up there. Then the last one up there. So now they will do the last one. So they did put in this. These are just balancers. They'll balance the wood or brackets that will hold. On this side, not yet. These are the 2 6 meters. So it's gonna be a long pillar from the corner somewhere there, going all the way there and cross there, and then cross that side. So as you can see, it's long, it's joint here, and then here we are joining again. We are joining here again, and then it will go in here, and then it will get here and then go there. And then when they pour, it is just one complete slab that goes from there, coming all the way here and then across to that side. And then we'll have some poles here, some few. We're still going to collect more, and then to hold it from below so that it have support from below while it's still wet until it gets dry. That's the update. The wall here is done. It looks good. These are pillars. So they start with the side, the bottom, and then they hammer it down, and then after it will be the sides, and then those, where's my finger? Okay. That one is the one that will hold the side, and then even this one, we have this bracket here that will hold the sides, because the side is about 6 meters long. So now they're just gonna put, those are the balancers. They put one at the edge, this edge, and then one at that edge, and then we will put 2 more in the middle just to get it all good and balanced. So far it's a process, but yeah, because it includes calculations, measurements, and fish line. So you got to make sure that they are straight and they are level, so that the end product is up to standard. So it's about 5:30 in the afternoon. They just finished building this structure to hold the beams, as you can see. So just want to show you how they tied it up. So as you can see, they used, here it's a wire, so they got nails all over the floor. That's a support, and then nails, and then also some beam, little wood that crosses, and then a wire, wood that crosses, nailed in, and wire tied. You can see they are not playing, these guys. We got another wire, we got a wood there, we got another wood, we got wire, wood, like that sequence. And as you can see here, he's putting some brackets at the corner to hold it tight. So I will show you inside shortly how it looks. But so far, they are making sure that it holds this concrete. So the concrete, we have river sand at the bottom, and then cement, and then there's concrete. I think it's granite concrete, this thing. Misspell its name. See the granite or lime, but this is concrete. So now it's gonna flip, and then we're gonna hoy water. So let me just get on top of here, and then I'll show you how it looks inside. So this is how it looks on top. It is tied down. This is the rebar in here. This will hold, as you can see, they got nails here and there, and also all the way to the corner there. So as you can see, yeah, it looks strong. Enclosed is the same all the way that side. So what they're doing now, we are mixing this concrete here. We got steel pole here to walk. Because what we're gonna do is pour in a bucket and then pour in here. Get a bucket, pour in here, and fill it up all the way. So yeah, that's the plan. And then by tomorrow we put on the bricks. So this is how it looks. Strong. There's a wire tighten up. This wood is thick enough, so it will hold. It will hold. The pillars are holding, the concrete is dry, and the guys are at it again. So they're gonna build that entire place up, and yeah, and then we'll see how it goes. So far it looks good. I'll just check the concrete there. It's holding. Let's go up the stairs and see how it looks. Here it is. So you can see it's full all the way there, and then also full all the way going that direction. So it's not wet anymore, but it's getting there. It will dry off by day in, day out. Give it a couple of days, but the guys will start building on top of it. Shangmare. Ah, it's in the paw. Today I didn't take a video, so his last day around about 7 and 8. So the pillars are all good. The finishing of there, they managed to do all the sides. So this sides, they've closed it in. As you can see, it's stable. So we're gonna go in the dark room here. So in here, I don't know if it will show, but yeah, there is the pillar. They did build on top of it to the level of the house. It looks good. And then even outside here, if you can see, they are done. The garage is finished. And then the stoop they will do later on. For now, the rain is just chowing them left and right. It's what made them have delays and work into the night, because tomorrow they want to go home. They are done with the building. As you can see, the garages are complete. So they are finishing off the pillar in the middle, and then it's a done deal. So yeah, it looks good.